The blueprint to your first million, a no-nonsense guide to success. Hey there, have you ever looked at $1 million and thought it was a pipe dream? Most folks think that kind of cash is reserved for the lucky few or the guys born with a silver spoon. But let me tell you something, it's within your reach. Today, I'm breaking down the actual roadmap to building real wealth by leveraging your grit, your time, and your American hustle. I need you to lock in for the next 5 minutes. Don't skip a second. And tell me in the comments which of these steps is going to change your life first. 1. Fix your mindset and get game ready. First things first, you've got to stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like an owner. If you're just living paycheck to paycheck, you're spinning your wheels. You need to carve out a piece of every dollar you earn and treat it like a seed, not a snack. Don't just let it sit in a dusty savings account earning pennies. Put it where it can grow. Your reality follows your thoughts. If you tell yourself, I can't, you're right, you won't. But if you wake up hungry to learn and ready to pivot, the doors start opening. Look at a guy like Mike. He used to blow his whole check on weekends. Then he flipped the switch, started putting $500 a month into a freedom fund, and in 6 months, he had $3,000. That wasn't just money, it was the confidence to breathe. If you think you're broke, try taking 15% off the top before you pay a single bill. You won't even miss it, and in 2 years, you'll have the capital to launch your own American dream. 2. Find your edge and get paid for it. Everyone has a superpower. What's yours? Can you sell? Can you fix a truck? Are you a coding wizard or a master of organization? Whether you're a teacher or a mechanic, there is someone out there willing to pay for what you know. Use the tools we have, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, to package your expertise. Dedicate just 1 hour a day to Project You. That side hustle isn't just extra cash. It's your ticket out of the 9-to-5 grind. 3. Leverage your job. Don't just work it. You don't have to quit your job tomorrow to be successful. Your job is your venture capital. It provides the stability you need to take calculated risks on the side. Spend 1 hour every night identifying your target market. Who needs what you're offering? Keep your marketing lean and mean. Offer a free trial or a beta service to your local circle. As your reputation grows, your side income will eventually dwarf your salary. 4. Invest in the University of You. Earning money is only half the battle. Knowing what to do with it is where the real winners are made. Don't be afraid to spend money on yourself. I'm talking about high-level coaching, books, and certifications. These aren't expenses. They are assets that appreciate over time. Remember Mike? He dropped $1,500 on a sales boot camp. At first, he felt the sting, but 6 months later, he was closing deals that brought in an extra $3,000 a month. Knowledge gives you the leverage to work smarter, not harder. The man who stops learning, stops earning. 5. Put your money to work. Now, let's talk about making your money sweat. Saving is safe, but investing is how you get wealthy. Whether it's an S&P 500 index fund, a small business venture, or real estate, you need to start small but start now. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Take Joe, for example. He started putting $400 a month into a growth fund. 5 years later, he had over $30,000. He took a portion of that, bought some equipment for a landscaping side biz, and 3 years later, he's netting 6 figures. Consistency is the secret sauce. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. 6. Spend like a millionaire, not a wannabe. Finally, you've got to be a stealth wealth master. Every time you're about to swipe that card for something flashy, ask yourself, does this put money in my pocket or just look good for the neighbors? If the answer is no, put it back. Mike used to buy the newest iPhone every year and wonder why he was broke. Once he started living below his means, he had the war chest, ready to pounce on real opportunities. Smart spending is the foundation of financial freedom. Conclusion: your first million isn't just a stack of paper. It's a trophy for your discipline and your hustle. If you fix your head, sell your skills, keep learning, and invest for the long haul, that million is inevitable. Small wins today lead to a massive life tomorrow. Get started right now. Your future self is counting on you. Drop a comment below and let me know. Which of these 6 points are you starting today? Smash that like button. Share this with someone who needs a wake-up call. And don't forget to subscribe for more Straight Talk success. See you in the next one. Stay hungry.